It is a beautiful spring morning at Child's Farm. The world is waking up after winter.
The sweet smell of nature on a spring morning. What could be better? What was that?
Oh dear, it seems like old Red and Mimi might have a touch of hay fever.
Oh dear, this is impossible.
I quite agree, dear. We'll never get this compost in around the apple trees. Poor old Red and Mimi. I wish there was something I could do to make it better. Hiya. What are you all doing?
Hi, Radar. How are you?
Oh, it's musical statues. Can I join in? It looks like you are all out.
This is hopeless. Every time we start the game, we sneeze. I'm getting pretty dizzy from all the spinning. It's the hay fever. Oh, spring is no fun at all.
But everything looks so beautiful and new.
Maybe if your eyes aren't streaming and your nose isn't itching.
I wish I could help. Maybe Buster has an idea.
What is Buster up to? Surely bugging a bee will only lead to trouble.
No! No! Stop it!
Are you okay, Buster?
Never better, Radar, old chap. Although my sampling days might be numbered.
Sampling?
Yes, DJ Buster Rhymesy, that's me, was trying to record some interesting sounds to mix together for a fresh new tune.
Cool.
Could have been pretty epic, too. But I keep sneezing, and all I end up with is this.
And you can sample any sound. I think I have an idea. Don't worry, everyone. You are going to sneeze, but I promise it will be fun. Buster, are you ready?
Huh? Yeah.
Presenting for the first time, DJ Buster Rhymesy and the Sneeze Symphony.
Well done, Radar and DJ Buster Rhymesy. You've managed to make hay fever fun.
Yes, and we're having such a good time, we've stopped sneezing.
Oh, yes!